breaking news in the Officer Caesar Goodson trial. Goodson faces the most serious charges in the arrest and death of Freddie Gray. WJZ is live outside Courthouse East. Investigator Mike Hellgren with the breaking details. Mike.
Lynn, we learned about some new evidence that prosecutors had failed to turn over until just days ago, and that was notes that a detective took of the assistant medical examiner saying she thought Freddie Gray's death could be an accident. She testified on the stand last week that she never thought it could be an accident and had ruled it a homicide. As punishment, the judge is going to allow those notes to go into evidence. We also heard from some powerful testimony from the paramedic who first responded when Gray was found unresponsive. She says she confronted the officers and said, "What the blank have you done?" The trial of Officer Caesar Goodson Jr. continued into day 5, with prosecutors presenting more than 20 witnesses so far. The biggest evidence of their rough ride theory has been CCTV video showing the van run a stop sign and make a wide right turn. But a prosecution witness, a police investigator, says he saw no evidence it was making abrupt moves. Goodson is the only officer charged with murder and the death of Freddie Gray. Yesterday, the judge allowed his defense out of turn to present 2 witnesses, both medical experts, a neurologist who said Freddie Gray would have gone limp immediately after the injury, and the former Washington, D.C. medical examiner who says the death was an accident. But last week, the assistant Maryland medical examiner took the stand and defended her ruling of homicide, saying she would not change it, even now.
One question that should be answered is, why was the defendant driving Freddie Gray around for such a long period? If he asked for help or if he appeared to be injured, is the duty of the police officer to take them directly to a hospital?
So again, some damning new evidence for the prosecution that the assistant medical examiner at one point thought this could have been an accident is now being introduced into the court record for this case. There was also a security scare this morning when someone in the courtroom rushed up to State's Attorney Marilyn Mosby and handed her a note. Deputies quickly took him out of the building. Reporting live at Courthouse East, Mike Hellgren, WJZ Eyewitness News.
Well, Mike, thank you. And stay with WJZ for complete coverage of the Officer Caesar Goodson trial. WJZ will be in court all week to bring you the latest developments in this pivotal case.